Healthcare remains a priority under our bottom-up economic transformation agenda. We are advancing the scope of the universal health coverage to give every Kenyan access to promotive, preventive, curative, and emergency services. Through the Social Health Insurance Fund, citizens will contribute and access comprehensive healthcare benefits, and those who are categorized as not being able to pay, the government of Kenya will step in and pay for them. The value for money in this scheme will be undeniable once the migration from the National Health Insurance Fund is completed and the fund is fully operational. As of the beginning of this month, 12.9 million Kenyans were registered with the Social Health Authority, and all public health institutions, and alongside 50% of private facilities, were already enrolled to provide services. I urge private hospitals to expedite the contracting process to enable us complete the final rollout of the universal health coverage. To accelerate this rollout, the government of Kenya has released 3 billion shillings to settle outstanding payments to hospitals and other service providers. I know this has been a major concern for hospitals that are owed by the former NHIF a lot of money. I want to give them my assurance that from next week, we have already released the money that will go into settling some of the debts that have held back their services under our new program.